Hello students, welcome to our next session, English lesson 2, good habits. Before we completed some exercises, now we are getting one exercise, that is have a short dialogue with your partner. Partner means you are two students. Ask questions using should, that is on test page 19. Here we are getting 4 sentences in brackets. Pluck flowers. Second one is write on walls. Write on walls. Third one is eat junk food. Sir. First one is pluck flowers. Second one is write on walls. Third one is eat junk food. These are good habits or bad habits, children? These are bad habits. Now, should. We should create sentences. We'll see, children. First one is, it is given in the textbook itself, that is, should we pluck flowers? We should start the question with the should and pluck flowers. Added that, should we pluck flowers? Then your answer also will be that, no, we shouldn't. We should not do. You will pluck flowers? No, we should not do. That only say. The next is dialogue. You should create that. I am writing here. Second dialogue is, should we write, W-R-I-T-E, write on walls. On walls. That is question mark. Your answer should be, no, we shouldn't. No, we shouldn't. Shouldn't. See, children, first sentence, should we pluck flowers? No, your answer should be, no, we should not. The next one is, should we write on walls? No, we shouldn't. Then you can create a next also. Should we eat junk food? No, we shouldn't. Okay. Then next part. Here should we use, children? Should. But next one is, the question start with shouldn't. Here should we started. Here we should start with shouldn't. So ask questions using shouldn't. That is, here we are getting, first one is pray to God. Second one is help the poor. Third one is learn our lessons. Here you are getting 3 options: pray to God, help the poor, and learn our lessons. We should create the sentences and do the conversation with the dialogues. First one here giving you shouldn't we pray to God? Your answer will be yes, we should. We should pray to God. Your question should start with shouldn't here. So we will start the next one. Here first one finish. What is that? pray to God. Next option is help the poor. We'll write the question like shouldn't we, what is the second option? Help the poor. Help the poor. Question mark. Your answer should be, here when we use should, answer came no. Here shouldn't, answer should be yes. Yes, we should pray. Yes, we should. Yes, we should. That will be the answer. The next one also will do. Shouldn't we learn our lessons? Your answer should be yes, we should. This is the should and shouldn't questions, dialogues. These are the dialogues, children. Then come to the next page. Children, next exercise, consonant sounds. Page number 20. What are consonants, children? English alphabets divided into two. What are they? Vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Remaining letters we will call the consonants. Now how we will pronounce? We will see, children. First consonant is B. B. The sound is B. Sound is B. We will pronounce, children, bag. Bag. B-A-T, bat. Bat. Next, B-O-A-T, bot. Bot. See, bag, bat, bot. B sound is B. The next, C. C sound is K. C sound is K. The letters C-A-T, cat. Cat. Next, C-O-A-T, cot. Cot. Next, C-O-C-K, cock. Cock. Next consonant, D. D sound is D. D sound is D. Letters dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog. Next, D-O-L-L, doll. Doll. Next, D-R-U-M, drum. Drum. Next, E. E sounds A and E. A. E is a vowel and A also vowel. That's why we started from the B. Now the next consonant is F. F sound is won't come out, children. Sound won't get. That's all. Fan. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Next, F-A-T. Fat. Fat. Next, F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. Next, G. G sound is J or G. Two sounds are there. J, G. That is, the words are got. G-O-A-T, got. There we are using G sound. Then, here also Girl, girl, girl. Next, gun, gun. Here we are using ga sound only, but giraffe of giraffe. That is j sound. Okay. Then next consonant is h. H. H sound is h. Words are hut, hut. Next, hen, 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 hen. Next, hand, hand, hand. The next, I is vowel. The next consonant is j, j. J, j sound is j. Jar, 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 jar. Next, jug, jug, jug. Jeep, jeep, jeep. Next, k. K sound is k. K sound is k. Key, key, key. Next, kite, kite, kite. Next one is king, king, king. The next, L. L sound is l. L sound is l. The words lamb, lamp, lamp. Next, lion, lion, lion. Next, lock, lock, lock. The next, M sound is M sound is That is a vibration, children. Phone's vibration sound. Monkey, monkey. The first word is man, 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 man. Next, mon, moon, moon. Your lips should go inside. Moon, moon. Next, monkey, monkey, monkey. Next, yen, n sound is nut, 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 nut. Next one is nosc, nose, nose, nose. Next, nest, nest, nest. Next, p. P sound is p. P sound is p. Paper, paper, p. P sound is p. You should take leave the air outside, children. P. P-A-R, pear, pear. Next, P-A-I-L, pale, pale. Next, P-E-N, pen, P-E-N, pen. Then next, here we are not seeing the textbook, but we will say, children, Q. Q sound is qua, qua. That is queen, queen, queen. Quack, quack, quack. Quail, quail. The next R. R sound is r, r. R sound is r. We'll say rat, rat. Then run, run. The next, stop sir. R, R-A-T, rat, R-U-N, run, R-I-N-G, ring, ring. The next, yes. S sound is S. We'll say S-U-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. Next, S-T-R-E-E-T, street, street. Next, S-H-I-P, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. The next, T, T sound is T, T sound is T. Examples, T-R-E-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Next, T-I-P-T-I-G-E-R, tiger, tiger. Next, T-A-P, tap, T-A-P, tap. The next, U is vowel, U is vowel. The next, V, V, V sound is V, V, V sound is V. Examples, V-A-S-E, vase, vase, vase. Next, V-A-N, van, van. Next, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet, violet. Then next, W, W sound is V, V. You see children, V is V. Your down lip is going inside, lower lip is going inside. But in the W, W, you join together upper and lower lips. W. Watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-E-L-L, well, well. The next, W-A-L-L, wall, wall. Next, X, X, X sound is X, X. Xylophone, X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. The next, X-E-R-O-X, Xerox, Xerox. Okay. The next, Y, Y sound, ya, Y sound is ya. Examples, Y-A-K, yak, yak. Next, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, yellow. The next, Y-A-R-N, yarn, yarn. Yarn means thread. The next, Z. Children, Z. The letter is Z. Sound also Z. Z. Okay. Examples, Z-B-R-A, zebra. Zebra. The next Z-I-B, zib. Zib. Next Z-O-O, zoo. Zoo. Okay, children. We'll pronounce once again, children. Listen carefully and read carefully. B. Bag, bat, boat. C. Cat, cot, cock. D. Dog, doll, drum. F. Fat, fish. G. Sounds G, J. Got, girl, gun. H. Hat, hen, hand. Next J. Jar, jug, jeep. K. Key, kite, king. L. Lamp, lion, lock. M. Man, moon, monkey. N. Nut, nose, nest. P. Pear, pail, pen. Q. Queen, quack, quail. R. Right, run, ring. S. Sun, street, ship. T. Tree, tiger, tongue. V. Vase, van, violet. Here, next W. Watch, well, wall. X. Xylophone, Xerox. Y. Yak, yellow, yarn. Z. Zebra, zip, zoo. These are the consonants sounds, children. Read carefully. Children, now we learned conversation, that also dialogue, then consonant sound. Page number 19 and 20. Write these exercises in the classwork and in the homework book. And these consonants read well, children. Cindy, children, read it carefully. Thank you.